Have a nice day, buddy. Today, Vaikunta Ekadasi. I am one of the devotee of Vishnu. So, I worship the temple. This temple is located in my hometown. Uh, the temple name is called Alagar Koil. The Alagar Koil is one of the very oldest temple. Particularly, who didn't know about this temple history must have they have to listen these words, and they realize this temple is how this temple is taking important places in Puranic. The Lord Rama and Krishna, Pandavas, Harichandra, Maharaja, then Ramanuja, Acharya, Sankaracharya. More than many Acharyas, kings, Pandyas, and Vijayanagara, Telugu Nayakar, Vijay Tirumala Nayak, Telugu kingdoms, Tamil Pandyas, and Cholas to contribute this temple growth. They built it also this temple more than 5,000 years ago. This temple has many adorned front tower and gobras. Actually, this temple, the inner sanctum is fully covered with golden plates and Aparajita, one of the rare varieties of gold. It's covered. Same this gold is covered in Thiruvananthapuram. So this main deity is covered with fully Abharajitam gold. This Abharajitam gold is one of the unique variety. It is prevailing in the metals. Actually, this temple also has temple has a unique mandapa that is built by King Thirumal Nayak before 500 years ago. Uh, each and every sculpture is unique by nature. It is designed very carefully on hard surface of rocks. These Puranic incidents is also shown in the hard stones. The Lord Vishnu and his avatar is also carved in the hard surface of rocks. The Vishnu god is one of the dancer. The statue is very unique. Then this is one of Varaga, CS and his wife of Varaga Avatar. Swami sir. Varaga Avatar. This is no sculptures designed in this Mukhamandapam. So actually this is very rich and royal hall. This is one of the assembly for the king who ruled during the 15th century. This inside this main temple is there. இங்கே தான் எடுக்கிறோம். ஓகே, இங்கே வெளியே எடுத்துக்கிறோம். So then this pillar designed in a unique architecture style. The same pillar hall is designed in Madurai Meenakshi temples also. This is Anjaneya. We cannot calculate how the stone weight would be. It has more than ton of weightage, but they are carefully designed and installed as the royal corridor in this temple. This is Garuda Alvar, the Jadayu. We visited one temple that was located in nearby in Kudimian Malai, but now this temple it has very rich heritage of Manmada and Radhi. The statue is also sculptured and installed in this Arthamandapa. This is one of temple, very rare temple. People must have visited this temple and seeing these wonderful architectures and features that are designed in this area. This is my hometown, Madurai, Melur village. Actually, this place is village, but the design of sculptures is amazing. Look like it's a world wonder sculptures. Never seen before like these sculptures. This is Narasimha Avatar. Say, he killed Hiranya. These Puranic incidents are designed in hard surface of rocks. This sculpture is one of the very rare sculpture can we see here. Now the time of climatic conditions, it is very were helpful to me to shoot all these sculptures without any clarities. The nice of sunlight, which give more rich of picture skew in this phone. So I am also using to telecast this video for all our people who doesn't know about this temple. This avatar of Narasimha. This is one of the hall. Can we see the brief of a very rich hall? In another side, this hill has more than four temple. It's a type of four temple. In North India, this type of temple can we see, but in Tamil Nadu, in Madurai district, this temple has more rich walls and front gopuram and everywhere. Because this hill is one of the herbal zone, the very rarest herbal zone. This hill, actually, the front tower is uniquely designed in front tower. So, can you understand that the importance of this temple and how it's attract you? I don't know really, but you are, I think I hope you really you're enjoying this video much more. Then, if you have the time, kindly visit this temple in future because this is dedicated for all devotees of uh, God Vishnu and all religious people. This is Ekadasi, the Uchava Murti of Vishnu, the Lord Alagar, uh, the taken in front of the hall where the Surgavasal is there. This is one of the event of Vaigunda Ekadasi. Uh, you are getting the darshan of Vishnu. Om Namo Narayana. Then this temple has one of elephant. This name is Sundravalli. This has more than 2 year old. This elephant is always dancing uh, in the garden of hills. This is Sargavasal. You are blessed by Lord Vishnu. If we are entering this way, we are getting moksha and Surgavasal there. We are many time. Yearly I am come this temple and worshipping Alagar, getting moksha to attain the feet of the god. So now you are seeing this entrance. This is called Surgavasal. Every people who come to visit here. Thank you. This is a hill lake area temple. This temple is one of the very unique in by nature. Is actually this is stains in mines rich forest area. This is one of the main tower of this temple. This is built out before the 1000 year ago. That was built up by Pandya, and later it was finished by Tirumala Nayaka kingdom of Vijayanagara, who ruled in Tamil Nadu. So this is one of architecture wonder. we cannot see this like a highest tower in other places, particularly in North India. Tamil Nadu has a rich varieties of sculpture. They designed in every stories of this Gopuram. They designed in the Puranic incidents by Lord Krishna and Meenachi, Andal, Devi, Andal and Vishnu Patni, Mahalakshmi, and the life history of Lord Krishna and Dwarabalaga. This is one of the unique of architecture of Tamil. This is have rich temple, a forest area, deepest forest area with a four-temple design built. This temple has biggest forest. Nearby the entrance of this forest, the temple was built before 1000 years ago. But actually, this temple originated during Krita Yuga. As per the Sthala Purana says, this temple was originated during the Krita Yuga. So now this unique temple, one of the very unique temple that's dedicated to all devotees, the belief of Lord Vishnu. I have believed strongly in Ramanujacharya, Shankaracharya, and Lord Alagar, Vishnu, and Shiva, because this is all our dharma. During these vacation, we have to expose our ideology and way of life, and how to we are worshipping our uh, traditional method of uh, culture. This is for these videos dedicated for the unknown place, unknown who are didn't know about our culture. They must understand these temples and how these temples were built before the 5,000 years ago. How the Tamil Nadu has rich Puranic and cultural tradition. So now the people have to be realized. I dedicate this video for them. Namaskar. Happy Vaikunta Ekadasi. Happy Makar Sankranti. Happy Bogi and happy Bigu to all to my countrymen. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Vanakkam.